Let's plan last month of 2022. Let's start with the December goal setting. Guys, just a quick mention. So this planner and also this pencil pouch, both from the brand Neora 1969. So I will mention the link in the description box below. You can check it out. Both of them are very good quality. So I can already tell how busy or even overwhelming it is going to be in the month of December, because of which I'm going to restrict myself to just set 3 goals. 3 most important goals. That's it. So these are my top 3 goals. I want to walk daily. Also, I want to post more on YouTube, and I have like 2 books to read this month. Last month, I set a goal to read this book about to-do list, and as you can see, I think it's visible. I'm at 67% in this book. I think there are a few days left for November to end, and I think I will be able to complete it because it's quite an easy read. So I think I can finish it. I wasn't able to complete it because I was reading another book alongside the to-do list book, which is this one. It's called Weight Loss Habit. I'm at 26% in this book. So far, I really like this book. It's very practical and realistic sort of. So I do want to read this book, and then I want to read another book which is kind of like a reading wish list, we can say, because I think it is not possible, but I have some time and I've completed the book. I want to read that, which is this one. It's about the bullet journal. It's getting things done with bullet journal using your favorite tool with the world's best productivity method. I don't know if I can read it, but let's see, guys. You can review your goals, reflect on the month November with the 3 prompts, which is what went well in November, what didn't went well in November, and things you need to improve in December. So I will do it at the end of the month. Then I've written my November YouTube growth tracking. So subscribers, like my goal was to reach like 1300. If you watched my vision board thing in the last one, plan with me, you know, I think we are around 1290 right now, and I think we can reach the goal in the first week of December, so that's okay. And then the total views is this one. That's great. So now let's move on to the universe speaks to me card. Okay guys, let's choose. I think I will go with this. What you fear is teaching you faith and inner strength. It's very meaningful one this time. That's great. Okay guys, next coming to content planning. So I'm currently trying Notion for content planning, and I so far quite like it. I think I started in the mid of August and it's going pretty well. I don't want to share November, but this is how October looks like. So for example, for the last plan with me November, this is how it looks. I just put another emoji here, which is usually this one. And once I complete the video like completely, I just change it into this check mark, and I totally like it. And then I have the video number and also when I published the particular video, and then the type, which is like shorts or long form, and also I have category, like which category it belongs to, like planning or productivity, things like that. And status, I have few one. So once it's done, I will just put a tick mark, also change the status to done, and I will paste the video link here so that I can access the video from Notion itself if I want to check something or if I want to watch the video. And here is like the rough outline of the video, like what are the pointers that I wanted to cover. So it's usually like that to-do list checklist in the Notion. I like this one and I usually use this only. So that's how the October plan is, and I so far like it. Okay, this is December, and I'm just going to quickly, type out what are the ideas that I have for December. Want to organize it. And then coming to vision board, I want to change this pink aesthetic. I kept it for 2 months. I really love it, but I want to switch things up for the month of December. So I already created like, Christmas related wallpaper at the background, and I just have this text which says hello December, and in this side I'm just going to write like the monthly goals. So I'm going to write this month goal alongside some basic goals that we can follow every month. So that's what I'm planning.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time,
So this is the wallpaper looks like. I really like it. I will change it on December 1st. Plan with me for December 2022 is done. If you want to change or transform your life and you can spend 6 minutes every morning, then you need to watch this video which is flashing on the screen. You may find out how you can change your life in just 6 minutes a day. That's it for today's video. See you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.